Hi, this is a training video for registered vendors of INCA. If you are an influencer agency, a publisher, a talent agency, or a media group, please watch carefully until the end to learn how to use the INCA Vendors Portal, the master list. For newly onboarded vendors, this section is usually empty. But if you already onboarded the list of your creator database, then you'll find them here along with their product details. To select a vendor for a campaign execution, we need to know ahead who manages what asset and at what price. Product details can be confirmed later on, but having a base price and estimated performance is essential for us in our planning and buying process. So to build up your master list, you need to input the following information. Channel. This is the creator's assets channel. Handle. This is the Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter handle name, the YouTube channel ID, or the website's URL. Format. This is the product format which is associated to the asset. Note that product formats are different according to different markets. Master list price. This is the base price of the product. Estimated views. This is the estimated performance of the product. There are different ways to add creators and products in your master list grid. First is by clicking Add Row to add an empty row, then filling up the fields manually one by one. Or second is to copy the information from your Excel sheet, then paste them on the grid. Remember, pasting multiple rows on an empty row or an unsaved row will add new ones, while pasting multiple rows on a filled up row or on a saved row will update the data of that row and the succeeding ones. There are other actions that can be done on the master list grid. You can undo any change done by clicking the undo change button, or remove selected rows by clicking remove selected button. Nevertheless, for any change done on the master list grid, you have to save it before it will reflect on the platform. To save, just click on the save button. And if you're worried that you'll be saving a row with incorrect information, the system automatically identifies issues with the data and will show error messages like the following. We do not seem to have this partner in our database. This indicates that the handle you are entering is not in the platform. Note that enhancements to allow you to add new creators in the platform will be available in the future. Format does not exist. This means that the product format does not exist in the platform. It is not allowed to be used for the chosen channel, or the field is empty. Master list price should be greater than 0. This error shows whenever the master list price is empty or is 0. When you encounter an issue when saving the shortlist, you may either correct the error or you may remove the rows that contain the error. Your master list grid is somewhat like an Excel sheet. As such, you may sort each column in either ascending or descending order, group and subgroup your database based on preferred columns, hide or show columns, and filter your database based on your preference. And that's it for this video guide. Thank you for watching.